Welcome back, THF YouTubers. Today we're going to show you this 11 to 16 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the Ford Illuminated LED emblem and the Morimoto XB headlights. You're probably sitting there wondering like, oh my goodness, that's a 11 to 16 Super Duty truck. Yes, it really is, because those Morimoto XB headlights and that emblem make it look very up to date with the modern times. This truck is beautiful. It's got the illuminated Ford F-350 emblem, amber. Got the Morimoto XB headlights. You got the Ford Illuminated sequential, well not sequential, sequence startup emblem. All right, and you got those street light orange CSP LEDs, guys. It's so beautiful. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start up with the startup sequence with the Ford emblem. Let's check it out. All right, we're gonna turn it off. All right, we're gonna wait a second, and then right now we're gonna turn it on like as if we're just starting it up. Oh my God, did I really just see that sequence? Did I really just see that? Let's see that. Let's just check it out one more time. I wanna really see if I really saw that. Wow, amazing. Guys, check it out. This product is on our website as well, all right? It's amazing. It's really all you gotta do is drill 2 holes, secure the nuts, and it's good to go, all right? All right, onto these CSP streetlight orange fog lights. All you gotta do is plug and play. Just unplug this your factory halogen bulb and plug in this LED plug. Really easy, all right? All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you, we're gonna start the truck, and we're gonna put the headlights on right now. Put the headlights on. And we're gonna show you, look, it's got 3 projectors, fellas and girls out there. It's got 3 projectors, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna shut it off one more time, and we're gonna show you the startup sequence on these Morimoto XB headlights. Start it up. As you see, from top to bottom, the projector sequence from top to bottom. All right, now we're gonna look up against the wall, see how bright these are. And they're very, very, very bright, 6K white, all right? Pretty much on those Morimoto XB headlights, all you gotta do is pretty much it's plug and play, wire the daytime running light wherever you want it to go, so you can have that really bright C-clamp strip, even brighter than what you see right now during the day. It really gets you noticed. All these products that we have mentioned today are on our website. Check out the links below. Everybody subscribe if you want the newest products and lighting technologies, fellas and ladies. Check us out. God bless. Stay safe during this pandemic. Wash your hands. Thank you and God bless.